Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your marketing automation with ActiveCampaign, complete guide step by step clearly. To protect your marketing automation with ActiveCampaign, start by understanding the platform's security features. Log into your ActiveCampaign account and navigate to the settings menu. Enable two-factor authentication for an additional layer of security on your account. Create strong, unique passwords that are difficult to guess. Regularly update your passwords, changing them at least every 3 to 6 months. Monitor user access by reviewing user roles and permissions frequently. Limit access to only those who need it for their specific tasks. Set up IP whitelisting to restrict logins to trusted locations. Regularly audit your ActiveCampaign account for any suspicious activity. Use the platform's built-in reporting features to track campaign performance and identify anomalies. Train your team on best practices for data privacy and security. Ensure compliance with regulations such as GDPR and CCPA when handling customer data. Regularly back up your data to prevent loss in case of unforeseen circumstances. Integrate ActiveCampaign with other secure tools for enhanced protection. Review your automation workflows periodically to identify any potential vulnerabilities. Stay updated on any security patches or updates released by ActiveCampaign. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance the security of your marketing automation efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.